Hi guys, my name's Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name's Rhys, Barber. I'm the other audiologist here. So this is my patient. So coming up in this episode, guys, we've got some skin removal. So you can see we've got a very, very deep skin plug here. It's sitting right up against the eardrum. Look at that. That is just a lovely collection of skin there.
It's a perfect removal, that is.
That's nice. It comes away all lovely.
There's little bits left. I thought that was all of it there.
I thought it was the whole plug had come out, but you can see it's so much skin. Now, it wouldn't normally appear as deep as this in the canal. So this actually, patients probably push this in with a little cotton bud. And we've got this last little bit here that's just down near the eardrum. So a fine end on here, just so we don't create too much noise next to the eardrum. And then we're just going to bring this last plug out of the recess here. Ooh. Look at that. Practically leapt up against the camera there.
So not complaining.
I know, it came out away really well. I'd rather do that than have to kind of try and just gently leave it out. So you can see some staining on the drum there, and that's just where there was a little bit of wax left over, a little bit of oil, discolored oil from the wax left on the eardrum as well. But other than that, looking lovely and healthy. Oh my goodness, inches are 1 1/16 of an inch.
About 2.5 centimeters.
Yeah. Well guys, at the moment what we're going to do starting with this video is we're going to be putting up 2 videos a day. So we're going to put up one of mine and one of Taylor's on all social media channels on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Members, you will get 2 videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday as well. But until the next video, as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you next time. Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.